all you do is grab this and just put it directly on that hole. It'll suck itself. You get it close, it'll pull it right in. And now you're hooked up.
What are you threading this through? It's just a hole, like, opening?
Yeah, you have a flapper valve in here. So when this isn't hooked up, it lets you skim the pool without allowing the stuff to come back out.
Okay.
It's permanently mounted in there. But once you have this in, you know, it still sucks it.
All right.
Okay, now you want to burp it one more time. So now you see you got earth in it, it's a milky white.
Does it show up there as well? Oh, you can't really tell, but...
Can't see that? No, it's already in here now.
Okay.
Okay, now remember our gauge was way up here?
Yep.
Now look, usually about 8 PSI is when it's clean.
Okay.
So now you kick this back. So you make sure the arrow line's right up to it. Now, you don't have to touch that again until it gets up to here.
Okay.
Okay, and that should be a couple months.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you, Mike.
So you're good to go. And then what I normally do is I usually rinse all this off. Get all this junk out of here. Stand back and we'll make a little mess for you.
Okay.
Let that dry out. I'll clean it up the next day.
Okay. How long do you leave this running for?
How long do I leave that in?
Yeah.
I leave it running for usually about 6 hours a day. And it's on the timer.
I mean, after you add the earth.
After what?
After you added the earth.
You can, as soon as the earth's added, you're good to go. Maybe I don't understand your question.
Well, I mean, we turned it on to add the earth. But now that the earth is added, do we still need to leave it on?
Well, I'm just going to run it. Just to run it.
Okay.
You don't have to. Once you do that, if you want to do it first thing in the morning and you want the timer on at 12, just like right now, yeah, we can shut it off.
I mean, I'm just curious.
We can shut it off now and it'll turn back on at 12.
Oh.
I have it run from 12 to 6. 6 hours a day.
Wow.
That's usually about all you need.
Okay.
And it usually cleans the pool less than 2 hours. Now, if you ever have to pull that out, you have to make sure you put a skimmer basket in if you remove the hose and that other piece.
The skimmer basket goes in there.
Like I say, if you want to just pull the hose out for one of your reasons, go swimming. So you want to make sure, you usually don't want the filter on while you're swimming anyway.
Right.
You know, just leave it off. But it doesn't hurt it.
Okay.
You know, but you put this basket in right in here. I'll show you. You basically just pull both of these out. Well, you can even leave that bottom one in. You don't have to. Then this just sits in here.
Okay.
And the suction, and that keeps all the leaves. This will catch your leaves and your whatever else. But when you're using that, obviously you can't use it.
Okay. How deep is the pool?
The pool's 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is like when the old days when pools were deep.
Wow.
Now they only make them like 6